At Wild Country, we understand the time, energy, and money that you've got invested in your livestock. So we took a huge step outside the box to even go to a greater limit to understand the work that you've got in each one of your animals. So we spent a day with 7-Up cattle working calves. We medicated them, ear tagged them, castrated a few of them. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy this video, but I want to warn you that you might find some of these images graphic, but I want to assure you that every one of these calves are strong and healthy today and have been reunited with their mothers. Hope you enjoy. Exactly what are we fixing to do?
So right now we're fixing to sort the cows off the calves and worm the cows on the way out.
Okay.
And then we're gonna start dragging calves. So we're gonna
drag them.
Drag them. We're gonna drag them.
Drag them?
We're gonna rope them by the back feet. We're gonna drag them to the fire.
We're really gonna drag them.
Oh yeah.
To the fire.
Yeah. To brand them, and then we're gonna black leg them and ear tag them and castrate them.
Oh boy, that's good. So what are we doing right here? What's this?
This is black leg and tetanus.
Okay.
So we knife cut everything. We give them a
tetanus shot.
And the black leg, we give it to them calves.
So we're cutting. What are we cutting?
Their testicles.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have them for lunch later.
Them for lunch. Hey, so what are we doing here?
We're heating up the branding iron.
That's the branding iron.
Branding iron.
Okay.
Keep it hot.
Keep it hot. Now that's just you're gonna put that on each beef.
On each beef.
Calf.
To identify ownership.
Ownership of them. Okay.
And Land Rover.
Oh yeah, they're good.
And I've got an 02 Dodge.
Yeah.
Our worlds is in line.
They didn't collide.
Yeah.
What we got here?
Heifer.
And a heifer.
Their arms still good.
I guess I got the shot just a little bit.
Whoa.
Lots of best lighters can come to your head.
You said you fall off a lot.
I do.
I might protect your noggin.
At least it's got flames on it. Makes you look kind of cool.
Is it
You
good?
can take a picture of that. About time. Where? Bull.
I'm fixing to get some really cool GoPro footage of this stuff.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we're fixing to turn these calves back out to their mamas. Their mamas are up here waiting on them.
That's what all that noise has been.
Come on, baby. Then in the fall, Chris will gather them back. We'll warm the cows again. Craig check the cows. The open cows will sell, and then we'll wean them calves.
So again, I hope that you enjoyed that video, and I want to assure you that every one of those calves were reunited with their mother and are strong and healthy today. We want to make sure that everyone knows the respect and the care that goes into each one of these animals. And at Wild Country, we even want our butchers to understand the work that goes into every animal that comes to us so that we make sure that we care for it just like you have. Again, I want to thank you and God bless.